Hi, this is Romy again. By this time, we will do factoring trinomials by trial and error method. Okay, but before that, again, I will give you an inspirational message. Never regret today in your life. Good days give you happiness, and bad days give you experience. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, so before we proceed, I will discuss to you the process first on the basis of this trial and error method. Okay, supposing we have 2x plus 3, then 4x plus 5. Okay, what will we do? First, we multiply these two. 2x times 4x will become 8x squared. Then, cross multiply. 4x times 3 is 12x. Then cross multiply again, plus 10x, then multiply these two, plus 15. Now, what will be the result? Combine like terms, this will become 22x plus 15. Okay, remember, the middle term is the result of cross multiplying the two terms. Okay, so 22 is the result of cross multiplying these two. 5 times 2 is 10, 4 times 3 is 12. This will become 22. Okay, remember this. We will be using this in our discussion. Okay, let's try one example. 12b squared minus 20b plus 3. Okay. What are the factors of 12? Of 12b squared? 12b and 1b, or 6b and 2b, or 4b and 3b. So these are the factors. What are the factors of 3? Since this is positive and the middle term is negative, this must be negative. So it's either negative 3 and negative 1, or negative 1 and negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 1, or negative 1 and negative 3. Negative 3, negative 1, negative 1, negative 3. Okay. Now, let's try the cross multiplication. This one and this one. 12b times negative 1, negative 12b. 1b times negative 3, negative 3b. So negative 15b. So this is not correct. So we must eliminate that. Next, let's try this one. Cross multiply. 6b times negative 1, negative 6b. 2b times negative 3, negative 6b. So this will become negative 12b, which is not the same. So eliminate this. Let's try this one. 4b times negative 1 is negative 4b. 3b times negative 3 is negative 9b, which will become negative 4b, and negative 9b will become negative 13b, which is not the same as negative 20b here. So eliminate. Now we will eliminate that. Erase, 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 erase. Okay, let's try another pair. Let's try this one. 12b and negative 3 will become negative 36b. 1 and negative 1 will become negative b. So negative 36, negative 1, negative 37, which is not the same, so we have to eliminate this. Okay, let's try the cross multiplication here. 6b times negative 3 is negative 18b. 2b times negative 1 is negative 2b. Negative 18 and negative 2 is negative 20b, which is the same here. So this is correct. This is correct. Now what will we do now? Okay, since this is correct, we will use this factor. 6b, negative 1, and 2b, negative 3. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so let's check. Let's write it here. This will become 6b minus 1 times 2b minus 3. Remember, this style is my style. No, this is not the usual way. I am just doing my interpretation. Okay, let's try another one. 7m squared minus 33m minus 10. Okay, what are the factors of 7? 7m squared. 7m, 1m. Okay, since this is negative and this is negative, the factors must be 1 positive and 1 negative. Let's make it negative 10, positive 1, or positive 10, negative 1, or negative 1, positive 10, or positive 1, negative 10. Okay, we have 4 pairs here. Another one. 7m, 1m, 5 and 2. So negative 5, positive 2, or positive 5, negative 2, or negative 2, positive 5, or positive 2, negative 5. What else? Okay, no more. Okay, let's check. Cross multiply. 7m, negative 10. 7m, negative 10m will become negative 3m. So, wrong. Okay, let's try this one. 10m, negative 7m will become 3m. So, this is wrong. Okay, let's try this one. 70m, negative 1, 69m. So, this is wrong. Okay, cross multiply. Negative 70m, positive 1m, negative 69m. So this is wrong. Okay, let's eliminate this. Next, cross multiply again. 7 times 2 is 14m, negative 5m will become 9m. So, again, not the same. Eliminate. Cross multiply. 5m, negative 14m will become negative 9m. So, eliminate. Cross multiply. 35m minus 2m is equals to 33m. Not the same. This one is negative. This one is positive. So, eliminate again. Okay, let's try. Negative 35m and 2m. This will become negative 33m, which is finally the answer, the last one. Okay, so since this is correct, we will use these factors. The answer will be 7m plus 2 times m minus 5. So 7m plus 2 times m minus 5. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Remember again, I am doing this in my own style and interpretation. This is not the usual way. Okay, thank you.